What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Mr. 300 here, man, checking in. I know it's been a while, but your boy been hustling, man. Once again, man, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for being here. Thanks for spending your time with me, but, you know, I just had to take a little break, man. I was still getting it in, man. I just wasn't posting a lot of videos, man. I was trying to have some new information and trying to see exactly what's going on, but fuck all that. Yeah, man, this video gonna be about how Amazon is paying my car note, man. As you know, Amazon got multiple different, ways that you can facilitate things and set up a business plan and a company and, create revenue. And there's 3 different ways, man. And I utilize all 3. Well, there's more than 3, but the 3 ways that I utilize Amazon is I do Amazon FBA, I do Amazon Associates, and I do Amazon Retail Arbitrage. And I'll break down all 3 of these. All right, so Amazon Associates, that's the easiest one. You guys probably already know about that one. Basically, you put a link up, you send your link out to your friends, you got a link on your blog or whatever that's linking to like Amazon products. If anybody buys those products from your link, you get a cut of it. It's not a big cut, it's like 5%, 6%, 8%, depending on the product that you buy or the product that they buy. But you don't got to do anything. You just send the link. You just send them the link, they click on the link, and it takes you to whatever product or whatever that you're trying to promote. And if they buy it, you get a cut. The other dope thing is, say you link them to, like a phone case or something like that. And the phone case is $10. Cool, they buy the phone case. But say, oh man, I also need a washer and dryer. They buy that. Oh man, I also need some books. They buy that. Oh man, I also need some, a video game or something. They buy that. You get a cut of all of that. And like I said, it's not a big percentage, but you get a cut of it just because you sent them to Amazon through your link, And like I said, I keep saying it's not a big percentage. Don't rely on that, Like it's some YouTubers like Casey Neistat, like he put links. If you go to any of his videos, he's gonna have Amazon links for all his camera equipment. He's gonna have links for anything he uses on his channel, so he gets a cut of it. I know a lot of people say he's doing that so people can recreate his situation and, emulate his quality, but it's also to get a cut, because if it wasn't to get a cut, he can just have a regular link. You don't need an affiliate link, so he's getting 2 birds with 1 stone, and I rock with it. I understand it, and I kind of utilize that in some of my videos, not all of them, because I really don't have anything to really market. If I do say something, I'll put it, I'll say it or whatever. But that's one way I get a little cut. The second way is Amazon Retail Arbitrage, and basically what that is you're figuring out a way, like you're figuring out the price discrepancy in like products that are in stores, at garage sales, online, and you want to basically make a profit off of that discrepancy. So like, let's say you go to the store, you buy a product, you see a box of cereal for $3, but then you go on Amazon and that box of cereal is selling for $8. Amazon is going to take their cut, but basically you get that price difference, and that's just, don't go off the, the actual explanation that I'm going off of, because the prices are actually going to be way different, because Amazon has a fixed like rate that they take. So if you're selling something for $8, you're probably going to need a lot, more than just one product. You probably want something that has a bigger, price discrepancy, because they're going to take their cut regardless. And it doesn't matter if you're selling a $4 product, a $5 product, or a $100 product. They're going to take a percentage as well as like a fixed $4 or $5 fee. But basically that's what I'm doing now, man. That's what I've been hustling doing. That's not my main thing. It's my side thing. Anything I do in life, I try to basically, I don't want to change the way I live my life to have good things. Like I got this car, whatever, it's not all that great or whatever, but it's the car note is pretty expensive because I didn't do like a regular 5 or 4 year term. I did a lot shorter, so I pay a lot per month. And when I was thinking about it, I was like, I don't want to change my life and like be stressing out a car note or whatever. So I had to pick up another hustle. This channel is about hustling. I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I do to hustle, so you guys can, maybe start something and do something. But right now, I got Amazon packages, different things that I bought in the stores, I bought online, and I figured out that the prices, like I'm gonna make money on it. I might buy, a product or something that's selling for $50, in the store, but Amazon's selling it for $98. So Amazon gonna take their cut. They might take $10, $15, but when I send it to Amazon, they're basically gonna package everything and basically send it to the customer. So when somebody goes and they actually goes to Amazon and they say, hey, I wanna buy this heater they'll buy the heater, it's Amazon Prime or whatever. That doesn't always mean that it's coming from the manufacturer who created the heater. It could be just coming from a regular person who shipped those products into Amazon to sell, you know? And that's what I'm doing. Instead of me packaging each individual, because there's multiple things in this package, there's multiple things in this package, you know, and instead of me just individually wrapping everything and sending it out to one customer as they buy, as they, you know, as the products sell, I'm just putting everything up into Amazon and letting Amazon handle it. They're gonna take their cut, but I don't gotta deal with customer service. I don't have to deal with returns. You know, the shipping is cheap. I don't have to, and the beauty of it, man, I'm gonna be real with you guys. The main thing is, once you send this stuff over to Amazon, it's gonna have that Prime badge when you know, go to your listing. And I'll break all this down, man, in more detail. I just want to give you guys an update on what I've been doing and how basically Amazon is gonna pay for my car. My car note every month is paid by Amazon from the hustle that I do, you know. So basically, I got, you know, a couple of packages that I'm gonna send over to Amazon right now. This is called Amazon Retail Arbitrage, and that's another hustle that Amazon, you know, I do for Amazon to pay me. The last one is Amazon FBA. I'm not gonna get too in depth with this one because honestly, man, it's all about money. I'm gonna come out with a course. It's not gonna be crazy expensive, but I'm gonna lay it out, man, because I don't want to have a million questions about it. But basically, I'll go over it real brief. You know, go over it real quick because I want everybody to start hustling, man. There's so much money out there online. Anybody can do anything that I'm doing. I just started doing this, man, and it's going well and it's easy, you know. You don't got to do nothing. I'm going to stores shop now. When I go to stores, I don't even go for like shopping and getting my own stuff. I always think about what's the best deal, man. What can I do to flip? It's all about flip. You know, you get some, you buy something for cheap, you flip it. Now, I'm not going into like, you know, yard sales and buying old stuff and old record players. I'm not with it like that. Everything I buy is new. It's in a box. It's easy to scan. Now, I'm losing out on money because I'm not really going deep in with the hustle. You know, I'm not going to garage sales and buying old stuff, old rugs and all. But it's like, I want to get in quick, get out, man. Like, I still got like a regular life I got to live. So I'm just trying to, you know, stick my foot in the water a little bit. But this Amazon FBA, that's a totally different beast. Like I said, I'll go over that real quick. Basically, Amazon FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. So basically, it's the same premise of retail arbitrage, but instead I'm actually buying, like I might go to Alibaba and I might see, you know, a phone case that's selling, you know, they might be selling this phone case for $1 on Alibaba, 50 cents on Alibaba. Alibaba is basically like overseas manufacturing website. So basically you can buy things in bulk. So I might go to Alibaba and say, all right, man, I want 1,000 of these cases. I want 1,000 of these cases. So instead of them selling them for, you know, in the store for $7.99, $9.99 or whatever, I'm getting them overseas for $1, 50 cents per. But I gotta buy 1,000. I gotta buy 10,000 of them. And basically what they do is they'll put a logo on the stuff or whatever, whatever you're trying to buy, whatever from overseas, they'll make it your own. You know, you want it for a Samsung, you want it for an iPhone, if you want to sell spoons, if you want to sell boxes, if you want to sell pretty much anything that you can buy online, Alibaba can make it. And basically you're communicating with the manufacturer and you have to buy the stuff in boatloads. So basically what I do is, what I've been doing, what I've been trying to learn is find products, buy a big amount of them, 1,000 units, 2,000 units. They'll put your barcodes on them. They'll put your name, your brand, and all that shit on it. And basically what they do is they ship them directly to Amazon. They ship the boxes, all the boxes, the 1,000 units directly to Amazon. And what I do is I take a picture of the product. You know, I might ask for a sample. I might, you know, use the pictures that they're already provided, but most of the time I'm gonna actually take a sample. I'm gonna, you know, like hit them up or whatever. I'm like, hey, I need, you know, 20 samples or whatever, just to check the quality, and so I can make pictures. I can take pictures of the product, and basically I'm gonna create my own listing on Amazon. And like I said, there's more to it than just making a listing. You gotta have, you know, you gotta have the analytics down, you gotta have the price down, you gotta have the supply down, you gotta have the demand down, you gotta have the niche down, you gotta have, you know, it's a lot of stuff involved. And like I said, I'm gonna come out with a little course to break everything down in detail, because you guys know I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. And everything is a hustle. YouTube is a hustle, Amazon is a hustle, online is a hustle, everything is a hustle. I'll probably come out with some goddamn sunglasses. You know, that might be a product that I'm coming out, man. If you guys like the glasses, I might come out with those. If you guys like whatever, man, I might come out with it, man, and sell it, you know. But I'm trying to give you guys free game just to start the hustle, you know. But anyway, man, yeah, that's the 3 ways Amazon is paying my car note. We got Amazon Retail Arbitrage. And you don't have to only do Amazon, but that's the main one. That's what I do. But you can sell on, eBay. You can sell on Walmart or whatever. But I sell all my stuff to Amazon. So you got Amazon Retail Arbitrage. You got Amazon Associates, where you basically send out affiliate links to different, places and forums and blogs and friends, basically referring them to a product that you rock with. And you also want to make sure it's something that you believe in, because if they buy it and it's trash, they're not going to buy from you again. Even though it's just a link, they're going to be like, nah, I ain't fucking with him, And the last one is Amazon FBA, which is a huge monster. It's a huge beast. I only gave you guys a little small percentage of it, so don't go off of everything I said and just think, you good to go. It's a lot going into it, But anyway, man, it's Mr. 300 here, man. Love you guys. I'm doing everything, that I can to keep it going, man, to keep hustling, keep grinding, man. I hope you guys get on with me, man. Comment down below if you hustle, if you know any of, you do any of these. We can chop it up. We can bounce ideas off each other. Hit me up, man. If you guys want to see anything in Vegas, man, please subscribe down below. I don't know who's going to be watching this video, man, because, it's been a while since I posted. But if you're coming for the retail arbitrage, for the Amazon FBA, for the Amazon Associate stuff, man, please subscribe. If you've already been subscribed, man, I love you guys. Just keep rocking with me, man. I'm going to try to keep giving you guys, whatever I can, whatever content I can, man. And I'm going to be more consistent, I promise, But like I said, I was just trying to get some hustles together to get regular life going, YouTube is fun or whatever, but I got a regular life too, man. We got to continue to hustle, man, so the videos be nice, and I got some stuff lined up. But also, man, I don't know if I should tell you guys about this right now, but I got a group that I ain't gonna even say nothing about it. I ain't gonna say nothing about it, man. This is Mr. 300, man. Love you guys. Peace out. All right, man, I just dropped it off, man. I know I said the video was over before, but I just want to let everybody know, man, everybody can do this, man. I don't know if I said that before, man. If you at home, if you at the house, you got kids, if you a pregnant lady, if you a disabled man, if you work nights, if you don't got a lot of money coming in, you got a lot of money coming in, but you travel a lot, you probably don't care about this. But, if you just looking for some little extra income coming in, man, hit me up down below, man. I'll go over everything more in detail. If you guys wanted to have a video specifically on one of those topics that I brought up earlier, I'll go over them. We're not tripping, man. As long as it's not Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, man, I'll tell you guys about it, man, but it's a whole bunch of little stuff in there, man. And like I said, you spending thousands of dollars with that, so I don't want to just brush over it and just tell you guys, just start it, just do it. Because it's not that easy, man. You can lose a lot of money if you do things the wrong way, Just imagine when you're going overseas, if you tell them to send your stuff, if you tell them to send it by sea, it's different if you tell them to send it by air. One is quicker, one has more fees, it's so many little different things you have to worry about. You got to worry about barcodes. You got to worry about, trade insurance. You got to worry, like, how you going to pay them? You going to wire them the money? You going to do trade insurance? You going to do PayPal? It's a whole bunch of little different stuff going in with Amazon FBA, and I don't want to just brush over it. That's why I'm coming out with a course, and I'm going to make it, a nice price or whatever, but that's way down the line once I become an expert. But for right now, man, we hustling, man. We got anything you want to do in life, man, don't just let it take from your current situation, man. Figure out a way to hustle more and get more money coming in so your lifestyle doesn't change, If you got to trade your time for money, that's what you got to do, man. You don't want to just get a whole new car and can't drive it because you don't got gas, or you get a new car and now your insurance is crazy high, so you don't even really want to drive too much. You can't go out and really show it off because you broke the house because of all the extra new payments. So anything you buy big in life, man, you got to figure out a way to hustle a little bit more to supplement that income, and that's all I'm trying to do, man. So anyway, man, it's Mr. 300, man. Once again, man, love you guys. If you watching this video, man, comment down below. Like this video, subscribe down below, please, man. I'm posting constant videos again, man. I'm back on it. I took a little hiatus, man, but the weather's nice, man. I'm in Las Vegas, so you already know we're going to hit the strip. You already know that. You already know we're going to see the parties. I was at a club the other day, a little strip club, whatever, and I was going to go live, but I'm like, man, I don't want to show the wrong thing, but we're going to do a lot, man. But car stuff is gonna be the main stuff, it's gonna be the main thing, but I'm gonna try to just put videos about anything, man. Any hustle, any cool shit, anything dope, man. But anyway, man, it's Mr. 300. Love you guys.